Hi, my name is Aiden, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can change your active semester in TracCloud. This includes both activating your new term and deactivating your prior term. A written version of this tutorial can also be found in the description if you prefer. Keep in mind that a prerequisite for this process is that your IT must have already imported your new term data into TracCloud. To view your terms, go to Other, then Other Options, then Preferences. From your Preferences list, click on Terms. If you don't see your new term near the top of the list, I would recommend reaching out to your IT and coordinating when they will start sending the new semester's registrations. Also keep in mind that you should not manually create term codes here unless you're creating a generic term for non-enrolled courses. TracCloud will automatically create regular term codes once they've been imported. If you do see your new term here, you're all set to continue. Click on the pencil icon for the term you want to activate, 2025 SU in my case, then check the Active box. Before saving, make sure you have the date range entered in the Active From and Active To fields. If you aren't importing this field, you will need to fill it out manually. This date range is critical for any max appointment rules or reports that you've created that rely on the current semester date range, as this is the source for that range. Click on Save when you're done, and then you can close the term pop-up. Next, I'm going to deactivate my previous semester, so I'll click on 2025 SP here. I'll uncheck Active, then I'll save and close the pop-up like before. You can activate or deactivate other term codes here as needed. If you have a term 0 in this list, that's going to be for your non-enrolled courses, and that should be left active. The date range of that term is also automatically updated based on other active terms, so you won't need to modify the dates on that one either. Once you're happy with your remaining active terms, we'll click on Process Activations. This will activate all related sections and registrations for your current terms and deactivate any for the now inactive terms. Next, we'll click Process Specialties. This one will update all of your course lists, making sure that your centers and consultants are now linked to up-to-date sections. This may be all you need to do, but there are a couple other date-related options in the system that typically correlate with semester dates, so I'm going to go over those real quick as a reminder for you to check them on your system as well. We'll start with one from our global preferences. We're going to scroll all the way down to the Confirm Bio options for students and staff. In each of these menus, it's possible to configure the Confirm Bio to reset on a particular date. For many of our clients, this is their semester start date. If that's the case for you, you'll want to update that here and in the Staff Equivalent option below. Otherwise, you can ignore this. Lastly, we have an option that exists in two locations. We're going to start by scrolling all the way back up to the top of Global Preferences. Then we'll click on System Preferences, then Withdraw Codes and Statuses. You'll find an option here called Calc Missed Appointment Since. This is used by TracCloud to tally how many missed appointments each student has had since this date. And as you can expect, it's typically the start date of the semester. You'll notice that there's actually an option to automatically use the term start date. So if that's how you use this option, you can just check this box and you won't have to worry about it for future semester changeovers. Now, this particular instance of this option is the global default. This can also be set on a per profile basis, which overrides the global default. We're going to go check on that in our profile as well. So you'll go back to the TracCloud dashboard, then go to Other Options, Profiles, click on the profile you want to manage, then click on the Prefs tab, Scheduling, and then Appointment Status and Management. You'll find the exact same option here for this profile and that same checkbox to have it automatically use your term dates instead. I'm going to check that for my profile to save time next semester. And that's it. You should be all set to start recording visits and appointments for your new semester's registrations. If you have any questions about this process, you can also reach out to our help desk at helpdesk.go-redrock.com or give our help desk a call at 480-752-8533.